Hello! Today we'll show you how to activate, download and set up your FlexiPRINT SE 19 Mutoh edition. To activate your brand new license, visit www.saicloud.com and enter the activation code which is provided with the machine. In the next step, log in with your current SAi Cloud account or create a new account if necessary. After activating the software, download the software via the download button. Press this button twice to start downloading the installation content. To install the software on your PC, open the installation folder on your desktop and run the auto-run executable file as administrator. Follow the installation steps of the Install Shield wizard. Activate the license on your PC with your activation code. The FlexiPRINT SE Mutoh edition shortcut icon will appear onto your desktop. You are now ready to use the software. Watch our next video guide, which will show you how to set up your machines and sending your first print and cut job. Hello! In this video, we will show you how to set up your Mutoh devices in the FlexiPRINT SE Mutoh edition 19. First of all, open the software. Add your Mutoh printer model. In this case, we are using the Mutoh ExpertJet 1641 SR. Enter the TCP/IP address of the printer. Click Test to check the connection. Press OK if the connection is successful. Finish. And our Mutoh printer is added to the production manager. Now we'll have to add our Mutoh cutting device. Click the Add Device button to add the cutting device. In this case, we're using a Mutoh ValueCut VC2 1300. Click Next. Also here, we are connected via TCP/IP. Click Test to check the connection. Press OK when successful. Click Finish. And your Mutoh cutting device is added to the production manager. In the next video, we'll show you how to print and cut your first job. Hello! Today we'll show you how to send your first print and cut job. After the printer and cutting device is added to the program, press the Add Job button to import your print and cut file. Press Add to import the file. We see here that the type of the job is a print and cut job. This means the file contains a cut contour stroke named cut contour and is mapped as a spot color. This should be created in the design software. Open the job by double-clicking. In the first step, we can see all the information regarding the media size, job size, positioning and copies. In this case, we'll set a media size of 130 centimeters. We center the job and we make 2 copies. In the Color Management tab, we are able to select our color profile. Press Add to add your ICC profile. Because our file contains a cut contour, there will be an extra cut tab visible. In this demo file, we have two cut contour strokes. To change the cut settings of each cut layer, double-click the layer or press Edit. Change your cut settings manually or select None if you want to use the machine settings. In this case, we can use two different strategies. In the Labels and Marks tab, select the Mutoh segment cutting marks. After printing, the cutting device will detect the marks and position the cut shop. Now everything is set and it's time to send our print shop and cut shop. Press Send. This will send the print shop directly to the printer and generates a cut shop which is holding in the ValueCut VC2 queue. After the printing job is done, position the sheet into the ValueCut VC2. Bring the cut head of the ValueCut above the first cut mark and press Send to send the cut shop to the cutting device. The Mutoh ValueCut VC2 will detect the marks and start cutting your job. Thank you for joining the FlexiPRINT SE Mutoh Edition 19 experience and good luck!